we have to find R2. Okay, R2 is the part of the fraction, it's in the denominator of fraction q over R2, and we have also negative sign on the front, okay? So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take this fraction, right, and I'm going to move it to the other side, okay? Because I have no R2 next to V, I'm going to take this V and move to the right side. Okay, let's take a look what I'm going to have. I'm going to have q over R2 equals q over R1 minus V. Okay, next, what I'm going to do, I have to find R2. In order to find R2, I have to eliminate this fraction, okay? Eliminate this fraction. So in order to eliminate any fraction, I have to multiply both sides equation by that particular fraction which I want to eliminate. Okay, so at this moment I'm going to put these two terms in parentheses. I'm going to multiply both sides equation by R2. Take a look, R2 and R2 will cancel out. And I'm going to have q equals q over R1 minus V times R2. We're looking for R2. I do not want to see anything multiplied to R2. Okay, I have these parentheses. I don't want to see them next to R2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide both sides equation by the parentheses. Why? Because I have multiplication. I want to eliminate this multiplication. So I have q over R1 minus V, and I have q over R1 minus V. This and this will cancel out. And I have q over R1 minus V equals R2. Okay, in order to make this answer looking professional, we're going to write R2 equals q over R1 minus V. And this is the solution to my problem.